I decided to change my collection over to drop fronts, and such a great look to store your sneakers. I started with my shoes that didn't have original boxes, and then I started and I just couldn't stop. One wall turned into the next wall, and I just wanted to convert my entire collection because it looks so much cleaner. And then you walk up to the boxes and you can see all of your shoes in there, and it's flipped down. It's sturdy. You can just stack them. I just love the product that makes them look really, really nice. I had mentioned that I still have some shoes that still need some containers. And I was invited to the container store, and we go to the warehouse, and they have over 800 containers for me.
Thank you. I have about 740 that I have to transfer over, and I have 1,126 pair of shoes. Been collecting for 32 years, and this is amazing. I thank you.
I'm totally appreciative of the container store. Today, you still see the smile on my face. I just can't stop. Smile, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I cannot wait to put all of the shoes into a container.